Hello po. So we are here ulit at Tandang Sara, Quezon City. This property is accessible to Visayas Avenue, Congressional, and Mindanao. And 15 to 20 minutes lang nasa SM North ka na. So binalikan ko kasi malapit nang matapos. For the lot area, for the inner lot is 55 square meters, floor is 120. Ito naman sa corner, lot 70 square meters, floor area is 120 as well. So since corner siya, madami pang space dito sa gilid. Ayan oh. For extra car, pwedeng mag-park dyan. Oh, ganda. May tiles na. So dito, kasya ang isang car. Kahit mahabang sasakyan, kasya dyan. Kasi maluwag yung parking space. And in here we have your service area. Dito yung corner, no, sa kabilaan yung gate natin. May pedestrian gate dito. Meron din dito sa banda dyan. Ayan. May abang na siya for faucet. And this is your secondary entrance. So, pagbaba mo ng sasakyan, pwedeng sa kusina ka dun diretso. And here is your receiving area. Kuya, bukas ko yung ilaw Ay, ayan pala, makikita natin. May 3 bedrooms to with maid's room, tapos 3 toilet and bath. And, ayan nga, 1 carport. Ang ganda nung yung ceiling niya dyan. So, ayan, papasok tayo. This is your receiving area, dining area, and kitchen. So, dito sa bandang kanan is your powder room. Hello. Also aesthetic. Okay, so banda naman dito is your maid's room or storage area. So, may window siya dyan. Para at least makapasok yung natural light and air. Ang ganda ng counter, oh. Ang ganda ng kulay. Pati itong backsplash natin. Ang stylish din. And of course, may mga cabinets na tayo. Tapos, may pin lights. And your beautiful chandelier. And ito naman, check naman natin yung second floor. Finishing stage na siya, guys. Bilis nila gumawa kasi parang 1 week ago lang hindi pa ganito katapos. Ito yung first natin, toilet and bath. Second toilet and bath. Of course, with complete fixtures na siya, may lavatory, may medicine cabinet, or for toiletries. And may mirror na din siya. Ganyan na po yung niya, yung turnover. Here's your living area. Ang ganda ng light fixture, oh. Ang ganda ng mga malaki yung bitana. So maganda yung pasok ng hangin. At of course, light. Ito naman may balcony tayo dito. Your first balcony. So itong corner ay may 3 balcony. So, green yung area, guys. Maluwag. Ito naman yung view from balcony. So, let's check your first bedroom. Lahat ng bedrooms may built-in cabinets na. So, since this is corner, lahat ng bedroom ay may sarili ding balcony. All in all, we have 4 balconies dito sa corner. Ang ganda, guys, no? Ano ba yan? Mantik na ako dun So, ayan, from balcony, this is the view to your bedroom number 1. And, okay, bilisan natin. May mga guide lights dito sa gilid, mga hagdan. Pero, hindi pa na-install kasi hindi pa siya fully finished. For now. Pero, feeling ko after 1 week, tapos na din to. Bedroom number 2. Ganda din ang in-install na ilaw. And as I have said, my balcony din siya. Chinek ko baka may salamin na. And dito naman, ay, na-on na ba to? Hot, hot. Ooh! Amazed. Ganda. Ito naman yung bedroom number 3 or yung master's bedroom. Ang ganda, ang luwag. May mga built-in cabinet na siya dyan. And meron din tayong master's toilet and bath, of course, with complete fixtures. Ganda. Yung flooring natin is made of ceramic tiles. Guys, if you want this property or if you're interested, please do call or message me through 0919-816-7917. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!